Hey guys, welcome back to the 2023 Chicago Auto Show. Behind me, I have the all-new, or I should say refreshed, 2024 GMC Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate, and they also have another, I believe, AT4 trim level down there. Now, we couldn't get hands-on with the new Silverado 2500 refresh, however, it looks like we can with the GMC version of the truck. So let's go ahead and take a quick walk around and see what changed for the 2024 GMC Sierra 2500. So of course, this one being the Denali Ultimate trim level, it's finished in the nice dark gray paint color, and this is kind of the signature color of the Denali lineup, at least as far as the press pictures go. And this one being the refreshed 2024 model, it receives light changes to the front end, the rear design, and the main changes that I'm most excited about is there on the interior. But let's go ahead and take a walk around. So you have full LED lighting up front with the new headlamp design. There are projectors, you have the nice HD logo here on the side to kind of outline the headlight. It's interesting that they put the 2500 logo here on the sides of the bumper. This one being the Denali trim, of course, has the paint match front bumper, the front parking sensors, some dark chrome trim, the chrome tow hooks, as well as your LED projector fog lights down below. I really do like the bold front grille of these trucks. They made it even larger than the 2500s in the past. It's not too obnoxious, but it is definitely very bold in that choice. There's your front camera for the 360 surround vision camera system. Of course, your dark black GMC logo. Coming to the side of the vehicle, this one does have the matte black plastic trim around the wheel arches with the integrated side marker lights. If going by GMC in the past, these could be added as a GM accessory painted option if you would like. This one being the diesel does have the integrated heater system right here. These are the 20-inch machine gloss black wheels with the all-terrain tires. They're Goodyear Wrangler Trail Runner ATs, so a very good all-terrain type of tire with some good on-road performance. Chrome mirror caps with LED lighting. Of course, they are going to be heated, do have power folding, power extending, and are auto dimming on the upper section. Chrome door handles with proximity entry on the front ones. And taking a step back, you can see just how large this truck is and how premium it looks with kind of the gloss black and chrome accents. This one does have the power running boards. And coming to the back, you'll see more of the refreshed rear end. I really do like the LED lighting signature from the taillights. This one does have the multi-pro tailgate, integrated side steps. Once again, your paint match rear bumper with the parking sensors. Looks extremely nice. It almost looks like the taillights are a little bit more flat and angular. And of course, have a thick daytime running light running down the sides that kind of extends onto the side of the vehicle. Definitely gives it a nice premium touch. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Now, the main part I want to focus on is the interior of this truck because we got the revised infotainment and dashboard design, which definitely brings it up to some of the levels of the competitors. You can see this one has the brown leather interior with kind of the light accent stitching and piping. Some dark wood trim here on the upper side. The door panel really isn't too much different than before. There's all your power mirrors, windows, locks, extending mirrors, memory seating. And there's your Ultimate logo down on the door sill plate. This one does appear to have the massaging front seats with the adjustable bolsters, which it should, being the Denali Ultimate, which will be very pricey in that regard. I do like the mainly black dashboard design versus the contrast seats. I think that looks nice. To the left of the steering wheel, of course, you have your four-wheel drive, all the usual lighting, switchgear, and your heads-up display controls. Now here on the inside, you can see you do have the new infotainment, very similar, if not the same, as that of the Silverado 1500 with the digital gauge cluster. Heads-up display, soft touch dashboard. There's all your heated ventilated front seats. Once again, your lane keeping assist parking sensors. This truck is basically fully loaded with every option you would need. USB inputs, trailer brake controller right here on the center console. Wireless phone charging. Bunch of nice stuff on the inside. I have done a video on the 2023 2500 AT4 here on the channel, so if you guys want to see kind of the differences there, make sure to check that video out. In the back, you do get the kind of aluminum door speakers. This is the Bose Premium Audio. Storage down below the seats. Of course, you still do have the storage in the seat back pockets. Rear heated seats, AC vents, USB charging. I do like this kind of embroiderment here on the back of the leather I do like this embroiderment here on the backs of the mat pockets, as well as here on the door panel trim. I think that's a nice premium touch for sure. Hopefully you guys can see that on camera. Then you have a suede headliner as well to complement the entire interior. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick look at the refreshed 2024 Sierra 2500 Denali Ultimate. I will go ahead and show you guys the AT4 trim level as well as soon as it frees up here in a second. But yeah, these are very nice trucks. I think they definitely did a good job bringing the interior up to snuff versus that of some of the competitors, which have had nicer interiors, in my opinion, for many, many years now. So let's go ahead and take a look at this AT4 as soon as it kind of frees up here and see what some of the differences are. So here's a look at the AT4 very quickly. You can see immediately gloss black wheels, red accents as far as the Duramax badge goes, the AT4 logo. This one is hooked up to a boat, as you can see. Very large at that, but very capable truck. Very easy tow for something like this. You still have the paint match bumpers with the AT4. See fifth wheel attachment in this truck. And on the interior, you'll find the normal kind of orange accent stitching on the seats, as well as the door panels for the AT4 kind of vehicles in the lineup. But overall, the interior is going to remain very close to that of the Denali. I assume this might be the AT4 premium package, going by memory of the AT4 lineup. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of this new refresh interior on these GM 2500s. These should be hitting dealerships very shortly. I believe production has started or is about to begin on these trucks. But yeah, let me know what you guys think of the new refresh 2024 heavy duties from GM. Hopefully you guys enjoyed and found something helpful out of this video. I know it's kind of a quick video because these vehicles are very popular, hard to get a little bit of alone time with them. But let me know your thoughts down below. Go ahead and like this video if you guys found it helpful. Subscribe if you guys are not already subscribed, and check out some of the other content I have here from the 2023 Chicago Auto Show. So with all being said, hope to see you guys in the next one.